Let's make handmade scrunchie with me. Five inches. 20 inches. Iron the cloth properly. Fold the fabric about ½ inch and make a proper crease. Just like that. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now fold the fabric in half and make a crease. Now sew on each crease. Like that. Now turn over the fabric. Now take an elastic about 8 inches. Insert the elastic into the fabric with the help of safety pin. Make a node or sew it. Stick to edges of the scrunchie by invisible stitch. Now our scrunchie is ready. Final look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.